Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. For this episode, our lesson is the different terms related to circle. These terms are circle, arc, chord, and secant. Okay, let's start with circle. We all know that circle is a shape, but more than that, circle is a shape consisting of points that are fixed distance from a point O on a plane. What does it mean by that? This is a circle, and this point O is the center of the circle. Circle is a shape consisting of points. Okay, these are the points. And when these points are connected, this is now the boundary or the circumference of the circle. From the center of the circle to this point, from the center to this point, from the center to this point, these distances are fixed. This fixed distance is what we call the radius of the circle. So aside from circle is a shape, it's also important for you to understand that it consists of points, okay, that are fixed distance from the center of the circle. Okay, moving on. Number 2 is arc. What does it mean when we say arc? Arc is a part of a circle with 2 points. Okay, let's say this is point A, this is point B. Okay, what is arc AB? This is a part of a circle with 2 points, A and B, on the circle as its endpoints. If we will write arc AB using symbol, the symbol for arc is this symbol. So this is arc AB. Okay, this time, let's draw arc AB in this circle. So this is point A, this is point B, so arc AB is this arc. There's actually bigger arc here, but we will not call this arc AB because we already have arc AB here. If we want to name this bigger arc, then we have to put another point. Okay, let's say point C. And we will name this bigger arc as arc ACB. Okay, what about the third term? The third term is chord. And when we say chord, this is a line segment or the line segment connecting 2 points. Okay, let's say this is point A, this is point B. Okay, let's draw chord AB in this circle. This is the line segment connecting 2 points A and B on this circle. So this is point A, this is point B. Just connect point A to point B. So this is our line segment, and this is now our chord AB. Okay, now what is the longest chord in a circle? This chord passes through the center of the circle. So this is the longest chord on a circle. And this is what we call the diameter of the circle. Okay, now, if we want to draw line from point A to the center and point B to the center of the circle, we form an angle. This angle is angle AOB. Angle AOB is the central angle that subtends. Subtends meaning to say opposite chord AB in this circle. Okay, or the chord AB, where's chord AB? This line is the chord subtended or opposite by angle AOB. Okay, this time, the fourth term is secant. When we say secant, this is a line that intersects circle at 2 points. Okay, If this line intersect at the circle at this point, the intersection point is only 1 point. So we cannot call this line secant. Okay, it should be 2 points. So let's say this point, and then draw a straight line here. Then this line is secant because it intersects this circle at 2 points. This is actually a line. It doesn't have end point, or it doesn't have starting and end points. So this line is also specifically called secant. Okay, this time let's answer this concept check question. We're going to indicate the following on the diagram. Okay, the first one is line segment AB. Okay, if it's line segment, there's a starting point and end point. So A is the starting point, B is the end point. So this is our line segment AB. Or this is also chord AB. Okay, what about number 2? Arc AB. So this is point A, this is point B. So arc AB is this arc. And number 3, this is line CD. Okay, if it's line, there's no starting and there's no end point. So this is point C, this is point D. So line CD is this line. And we can also call this line CD as secant. Okay, this time, let's answer this simple activity. We are going to identify what is being described. Okay, number 1 is chord. So let's identify the chord or chords in this figure. Okay, if it's chord, then chord is a line segment. So there's a starting point and end point. So AE is a chord. So we can write here line segment AE or chord AE. Okay, what else? Line segment BC is also a chord. So line segment BC. And lastly, we also have line segment BD. So line segment BD or chord BD. So we have 3 chords in this figure. Okay, what about number 2, the longest chord? So the longest chord in this figure is chord BD or line segment BD. Okay, number 3 is the central angle for arc BC. Okay, first we have to draw where is arc BC. Okay, point B is here, point C is here. Since this is arc, so arc is this one. So this is arc BC. Since it's asking for the central angle for arc BC, draw a line from the center of the circle to B, draw a line from the center of the circle to C, and this angle is the central angle for arc BC. Okay, we will name this angle as angle, okay, BOC. Okay, and number 4 is the arc for angle COD. In order for us to find the arc or the arc for angle COD, we have to identify first where is angle COD. So point C is here, O, and then D. So that means this is our angle COD. And what is the arc for angle COD? This arc. Okay, we will name this arc as arc CD.